It's at noon. This is Mansi Dave, and we are starting the new month and at the same time the new week. And it was a steady start, as you can clearly see, 24,500, and we are holding on to those marks around 112 points upsurge on Nifty. Bigger gains on broader indices, and also if we talk about the benchmarks, apart from Nifty, the Bank Nifty and Sensex are also doing positive rounds, but broader markets keep an eye on mid-cap and small-cap, around 700 points of an upsurge in mid-cap and small-cap also in green, 1.5%, around 200 points on the upside. You'll see a lot of stock-specific momentum in the markets, sea of green across indices and sectoral front also. If you see, barring FMCG, all the sectors are doing positive rounds. FMCG, pharma do see marginal losses and have taken a backseat. But apart from that, if you see the automobile pocket and the other sectors, the banks and financials for that matter, and IT, of course, not to forget that, the mid-cap as well as the larger IT players and the Nifty mid-cap IT index as well, around 600 points of an upsurge. What are the top contributors at this are Infosys, M&M, ICICI Bank, TCS, Bajaj Auto. So the IT players, the automobile pocket as well as the banks and financials are doing positive rounds. And on the flip side, you see ITC, Sun Pharma, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Divis Laboratories. The consumption space has taken a back seat. But then what should be your strategy for the start of the week? We are in the mid-session at present, and it's good positive market right now. To talk technicals and the strategy, we have with us Rajesh Bhosale, technical analyst, Angel One. Rajesh, good afternoon. Thank you so much for giving your time to ET Now. 24,500, that's the level we were watching out for last week, but last week was absolutely volatile. The start of this week is at least a hope. What's your take on the market, and what will be the strategy for the indices?
Hello, afternoon. So if we see, yes, the week and the September month has started on a positive note. But since last five session, we are seeing that Nifty is struggling to cross its previous high. So for today, it would be crucial for Nifty to cross 24,600 mark. And once it sustains above that, then we can say, yes, market is attempting reversal. On the downside, if we see somewhere around 24,450 to 24,400, there's a strong support which coincides with the August swing low and bullish gap. So markets are on a support levels, but we need some concrete reversal signs that we can see once Nifty sustains about 24,600. Having said that, broader markets as well as individual sectors are doing pretty well. So one should continue to focus on them.
Right. More importantly, one question which everybody is asking about the IT sector, is it just due to the rupee weakness, or you think that on technical charts there is some more meat in IT sector?
So if we consider the IT basket, most of the heavyweights are trading at its multi-month low. In fact, Nifty IT index as well, if we see, it's trading around its 200 weekly moving average. If we consider a recent price action, we have seen that whenever prices have declined in the last 1 month, Nifty, IT has not fallen that much. But in the last couple of weeks, we have seen whenever Nifty has shown strength, IT has outperformed. So some kind of reversal indication is there. And some counters like mid-cap counters are showing very strong signs that possibly from here on outperformance will continue.
Okay, so outperformance might continue, and yes, at present, the larger IT as well as the mid-cap IT players are doing good. So Rajesh, are IT players in your list as well? What are your trading ideas for the day?
Yeah, so definitely one of my picks is Emphasis, that is from the mid-cap IT space. Today, the stock is buzzing up almost around 5%. On the daily chart, we are seeing an open low Marubozu candle. On the futures as well as on the volume front, we are seeing strong volumes, and as on the future space, we are seeing long formation. So on the daily chart, we are seeing an inverse head and shoulder pattern and expect Emphasis to continue it outperformance. So with a stop loss of 2815, Emphasis can be bought. We are expecting a target of 3150 in the near term. The second buy call is on Excite Industries. So the stock was consolidating in a range, but we are seeing a channel breakout along with that flag pattern breakout is also there. So with a multiple pattern breakout, we expect Excite Industry to outperform. So with a stop loss of 396, one can buy for a
All right,
immediate.
Mr. Bhosale, your point taken.